will and parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming. Make your jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Pouring our jet into the...
All right, we're doing something a little different. This is Squid Industries. Now, Lucas, please introduce yourself and what your company is all about.
Hey guys, my name is Lucas. I'm the founder and owner of Squid Industries. We're the premier butterfly or balisong knife company. So if you're looking to get started with flipping, we're your go-to guys. So we have a variety of both trainers and live blades. So whether you're a novice or you're an advanced expert looking to compete at the highest level, we have a variety of both knives and trainers so that you can practice to whatever skill set you are at. So yeah, we have many years of experience of flipping. That's how we're able to develop all these different models. So you can see here, this is the crate rack and trainer.
At the end of that, you would see all my fingers on the ground.
Well, I think that if you followed our tutorials, you still keep all your fingers. It's definitely safer than most people think. So this is the trainer model of the crate rack, and then down over here we have the Bowie, we have the Tanto, and we have our CCKS special right there. So over here we have more of our entry-level products. We have the Squiddies. These are CNC machined plastic. We have one in Delrin and one in Oldtown. All of our products are made in the USA. A large majority of it we manufacture in-house with our own machines. And we've got a lot of great showpieces here, including the Juggernaut. It's modeled after the Nautilus. And I can't do too many tricks because it's a little dangerous, but it still flips and functions just like the rest of our products.
Now, where are you located at?
We're located in the Bay Area.
Bay Area? Mm-hmm. Very, very good. And how can people get a hold of you?
People can get a hold of us through our website at squidindustries.co, or you can check out our YouTube channel at Squid Industries as well.
All right, thank you so much. We greatly appreciate your time.
Thanks so
and
much.
As always, have a nice day.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone.